everyone. Shelley Rael, registered dietitian nutritionist here with Eat, Live, Be Well Nutrition. And I want to talk a little bit about protein today. Very common question I get, especially as people are focusing more on a plant-slanted diet, is how can we get enough protein in our diet? Now, first I want to clarify what I mean by plant-slanted. I often use the term plant-based, as in the foundation of pretty much everybody's diet should be plant foods. That does not necessarily mean to the exclusion of animal products unless you choose to do so. So when I say plant-slanted, it is slanted more towards plant-based foods. Now, what happens is when we talk about plant-based, plant-slanted, and even going to vegetarian-style diets, people wonder, how can we possibly get enough protein if we're not getting lots of animal products, lots of meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy products, yogurt, which are types of dairy products. What a lot of people don't know is protein is found in all foods, or pretty much all food groups. When I say all foods, I'm thinking more in their natural state. There's highly processed foods that are virtually no protein. So thinking of this, nuts and seeds and beans and legumes, great sources of plant-based protein. There's protein in our fruits and vegetables, small amounts in our fruits, but there's still some there that contribute to all of our protein intake. Certain vegetables have a significant amount of protein, but they're found in all vegetable-based products, or also all veggie foods, and even grains. And a lot of people don't even think about the grains as having protein, but if you think about this, and a lot of people aren't aware of this, gluten is a protein, and it's one of the proteins that we have in wheat, barley, and rye. But there's plenty of protein found in our grains, and it could be whole grain. There's going to be a little bit more protein in our whole grain foods, but every type of food, every food group has protein in it. So you don't have to worry about if you're cutting back on meat or not eating meat anymore, or just want to think about cutting back. A well-planned diet, whether it includes animal products or not, can have plenty of protein in it. And sometimes it comes up, the topic of complete protein. So for example, animal products have all 9 essential amino acids in them. That was what we mean by a complete protein. But quinoa and soy products also, soy foods also are complete proteins. But in the big picture, we can get plenty of protein in our diet and all the right types of amino acids in our diet by eating a well-balanced diet. You don't have to worry about getting lots and lots of meat if you don't want to. This is a question that comes up all the time, and lots of questions do. If you have one for me, drop a comment below. If you have a comment about this topic of protein, comment below. Like the post, share the post. You have a great day. Bye now.